So is it just me, or does it seem like everybody online is Yoda these days? Like literally, even like your aunt is like posting all these inspirational, quotes and telling you how you should live your life. And this the other day just kind of struck me as funny. It also got me thinking a little bit about you and actually advice that I wish I knew when I was your age. Number one, exercise every single day. This is non-optional. Every single day. Start eating better. If you eat a diet that's high in crap, your body is going to turn into crap. Not only on the outside, but also the inside. Don't smoke. Ever. This includes cigarettes and weed. Now, I know some of you are like, but it's weed. It's not good. Neither is alcohol. I wasted so much time in my life getting drunk and doing stupid crap as a result of drinking. Nothing good came of it. The truth? You want to know the truth? People don't think about you as much as you think they do. People don't care about us as much as we think and worry that they do. Which brings me to the next thing. Your friends are contagious. If you're hanging out with losers that aren't going anywhere, that are doing things that are self-destructive, guess what? Loser. Stand up for the little guy, because we're all the little guy at some point. And do not do what is easy, do what is right. If other people around you are trying to get you to do something that you know isn't good, don't do it. Listen to your gut. A lot of times it'll point you in the right direction, but verify it with facts. Stop listening to the news. All of it. It's just gonna depress you. Never stop learning about the world, about other people, and about yourself. Find what makes you happy. Don't drive like an asshole. Period. Keep your car clean. Keep your house clean. If you live in clutter, there's no way that you can be productive. Don't act like a victim. You're not a victim. You're strong. But does this mean that sometimes bad things happen to good people? The answer is yes. But you can't allow it to affect you in a negative way for the rest of your life. You gotta stop blaming your parents for where you are in your life right now, which brings me to the next thing. You have to finally deal with your shit. Set it down. All that baggage you're carrying around, you gotta set it down, because until you do, you're gonna go through life carrying all of this weight, all of this negativity. Gentlemen, one of the things that I did, I went to therapy. I've talked about it a million times. Why do I talk about it so much? Because I truly feel like that is one of the decisions in my life that changed the trajectory of where I was going. Guys, if you're ready to finally be happy and change the rest of your life, I want you to hit that link down below and check out today's video sponsor, BetterHelp. BetterHelp is the world's largest therapy service, and it's done 100% online. With BetterHelp, you can tap into their network of over 25,000 licensed and experienced therapists to help you on a wide variety of issues. And to get started, all you have to do is answer a few questions so that BetterHelp then can match you with the therapist that's going to be best suited to help you with your specific needs. And then you can talk to your therapist however you feel comfortable, whether or not it's video, it's phone, it's text, or it's chat. And you can message your therapist anytime and schedule live sessions whenever it's convenient for you. The other cool thing is that BetterHelp allows you to change therapists, no additional charge, if it's not right for whatever reason. The one thing you need to understand is that therapy is a little bit like dating at times, right? Sometimes you meet somebody or you get a therapist and it's boom, perfect, but sometimes you may have to switch or try somebody else in order to help you get what you need out of the session or out of the therapy. Guys, this is about you. This is your world. And the thing that I love is that with BetterHelp, you get the same level of professionalism and experience that you would come to expect from in-person therapy, except with a therapist that was custom picked for you. You also get more scheduling flexibility, not to mention a more affordable price. Guys, right now, for a limited time, if you go through our special link, BetterHelp.com/alpha-M, you're going to get 10% off your first month of therapy. That's BetterHelp.com/alpha-M. That's BetterHelp.com/alpha-M for 10% off your first month of therapy. Do not focus on things that you can't change, like people. They don't change, but you can change. You also can change your mindset, right? Like I said, you need to learn to forgive yourself. When you do this, it's going to open up a lot of options. It's also going to reduce the risk of you feeling like a failure, which brings me to the next thing. You got to get over the fear of failure ASAP. It's that fear of trying and not succeeding, that fear of going up to somebody and getting rejected. The truth is that failure, it's part of the equation. It's got to happen in order for you to be successful, because until you fail, you're never truly trying, in my opinion. Failure is one of the best and most critical components to you growing up as a man. Understand that hard work beats talent. You better develop an incredible work ethic. Don't worry so much about being cool. Focus on being kind. And understand that good people are better than pretty people. Stop spending so much time on social media. You're feeding your brain junk. All right, understand that you need to choose how you invest your most valuable resource, which is your time. Every single day, you get a choice how you invest it. Is it going to be feeding your brain junk, or is it going to be for something more productive, something that's going to make you feel better about yourself? Your health is your most valuable asset, and so you need to treat it that way. You need to invest in it. You need to nurture it. You need to protect it with everything that you've got. Be a man of your word. Be a man of character, morals, and principles. All right, I know that that's something that gets overlooked in today's society. You know, I look around and I see a lot of people compromising theirs. Don't do it. You are incredible, but it doesn't mean you're perfect. And so if you do something wrong, apologize. Every human being deserves respect, so treat them that way. Don't do ignorant shit. Don't treat people poorly. Don't try to build yourself up to make yourself feel better. Develop a budget and stick to it. One of the things that I learned is that debt will rob you of joy. Don't lie, don't cheat, don't steal ever. Ever. Karma, it's real, it's a bitch, and it's coming back to bite you in the ass if you do. Treat people well. Don't be a dick. Say less, listen more. Smile at people. Give people compliments. Every day. Your parents want the best for you, I promise. Even though it may not seem that, even though you don't get it right now, they want the best for you. They're trying to protect you and lead you in the right direction. But this direction doesn't mean that you've got to follow what they want for you. This is your life. You get to choose what you do with it. This includes your career. This includes who you love. Don't ever let anybody tell you who to love. Which brings me to the last thing I just want to tell you. There's only one person in this world that you need to worry about in terms of making them happy, and that's you. You got one shot at this life. That's it. Life is short, so call your parents, call your grandparents. Spend more time with the people that you love, because I promise you, money will not buy happiness. Find what makes you happy and feels good in your soul, and do it as much as possible. I love you. Thanks for watching.